Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to MTS. My name is Jack, and in this video we're going to be talking about the Ubiquiti breach. Not specifically the breach itself. There are hundreds of other videos, great videos by other creators out there about it. I'll link to a few in the description below, but we're going to be talking about the solution and what you can do to protect yourself. Now, the first thing that you can do is change your password. Change your Ubiquiti single sign-on password. Go to ui.com, sign in, go into your account settings and change your password. Now you should also reset your two-factor authentication key. If you're not using two-factor authentication, use it. It is there to keep your network safe. Now, if you're like some of the people that have reached out to me about this issue, you might be concerned that changing your password would sign you out of all of your cloud controllers, all of your cloud keys, dream machines, cloud-hosted controllers, self-hosted controllers, all of the controllers that you manage. And I'm here to tell you, that is not the case. It does not sign you out. Your single sign-on information is used to authenticate you to those controllers once. Once that's happened, it's linked to an account token that you have with Ubiquiti. So when you change your password, you don't have to do anything to your cloud controllers. They will still be there on your account, ready for you once you sign in again. I manage controllers all over the country, and it would be a big pain in the butt if I had to go out to all of those sites and re-sign in, with my cloud account. Wi-Fi networks are based off of SSID, name, and password. As long as your SSID is the same and your password's the same, a device will connect to it. Ubiquiti accounts do not work like Wi-Fi. Once you sign in and enable cloud access on a controller, it is then tied to your account. It is not tied to your username and password. It is tied to your account. So don't be afraid to change your password. Don't be afraid that it's going to create a bunch more work for you in the future. Just change your password. You will be fine. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. If you feel like subscribing, that button's there too. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.